Manipur Official Language Act 1979 asi Assembly da amendment tawduna chahi taradi Bengali amadi Meitai mayekta parikya thaba yahanbada ayaba pikre haina Education Minister S Rajana phongdokre. Wafam masing asi Jem Hola pangthokpa kunganithoi shuba International Mother Language Day gi palan tharamda phongdokhibani. Manipur lenga ke Directorate of Language Planning and Implementation asinduna pangthokhiba palan tharamadda Education S ki Commissioner T Ranjit, Manipur University of Culture ki Vice Chancellor Professor Paunam Gunindro amadi Language Planning and Implementation gi Director T.H. Citrasu saruk yake. Ngasi Prime Minister Narendra Modi na luchingduna BJP gi maroiba luchingba singa akhanaba mikhal gi matangda ngasi New Delhi da wakhanakre. Hojik chathariba mifum asida party asigi national gi thakta thau puriba sing state singi BJP gi in charge puriba state president amadi atopa party gi maroiba mioi kyana saruk yari. Malem da paktak dana sandorakliwa COVID-19 na pikiwa chaithing marakta kaishamthong AC gi Mahesh na AC asi khakta natana atai mafam kaya da miyamgi awabada mating kaya pangkhiwaduna mahak asengba Republican ni taklei lakadoriwa chahi English ngani kungani thoi gi general election da AC asi gi Republican Party of India athawali RPIA gi ticket mangonda piragani haina party asi gi president amadi Union Minister of State Ramdas Bandhu athawali na phongdokre. Drug free oiba society ama oinabagi pandamda Imphal East ki tongan mafam singna koina chatkadaba anti drug motorcycle rally ama DC Imphal East ki H Daina na lamthakre lamlong thongkhong da pangthokpa lamthabagi thoram aduda SP Jogechandra Hovizamsu saruk yake coordinating body Khurai District Police Imphal East amadi Nasamuk Bharat Campaign Imphal East ka pullaga sinba motorcycle rally adu lamlong dagi hapta New Chekon Wangkhai Kongba Thambal Khong Khetrigao Top Khungnang Khong DC Road Porompat Ayangpali Lamlong Haikrumakhong Lairiking Mamlaikai Salanthong Yauraga Puthiba Laikai da leiba SRC da thumki. Bisnupur District ki manung chanba Ngangkhalawai Gram Panchayat ki manungda Jila Parishad Gram Panchayat amadi Line Department gi MGNREGS lisingani tara mapan kungi paikhat khiba thabak marifu suba loi khibaga loinana suba loi khraba thabak singadu quality maintain tawbara tawdabra pakpa chawba amadi asangba khudingmak guideline gi matung ina subra sudabra yengshinbagi social audit tha sigi tara mapan dagi chatharakpa adugi aroibo ina yengshin khongsit ama ngasi pangthokre ngasi chathakhiba audit ki khongsata Tronglaubi Ngangkhalawai Jila Parishad ki member M Kanan Balagi nominee ex Zila Parishad member M Bir Chandra Maitai Ngangkhalawai Gram Panchayat ki Pradhan M Brozen Upa Pradhan M Mudan Ward member Singh official Singhi Maikai dagi District Social Auditor T.S. Panchakumar Village Resource Person Singh Meena Kumar Lanchen Baluang amadi Guneswar Thongnau Jamsu saruk yake. Bairop Nalini Foundation na chahi khuding ileptana chatharakpa mating pangtuna lakpa thoronggi manungchana ngasi mongsangai da leiba Oles Home High School AC gi ward member number 19 gi IMC gi cooperator oina thau puriwa L Inungan B amadi foundation asigi secretary KS Biswamitra angamba potlam kaya khusinakre. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh ngasi leipak sinma thungna chalaigadoriba kunga taruklak suba Hunar Haat New Delhi gi Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium dagi hodokre ngasi gi thoramaduda Minister for Ports Shipping and Waterways Mansukh Mandavia amadi Lok Sabha gi MP Meenakshi Lekhi su saruk yake hairiba thoramase Ministry of Minority na Vocal for Local haiba thimda lakliba Mars ama fawba chathagani.